Alright, so today we're working on the cts-v today. It's 05 LS6 car. It's got a Magnuson supercharger, some other things done to it. Had a cam coat in it, so we pulled the front timing cover and thought the cam bolts would be loose, but they're not, so it ended up being a sensor and a pigtail. Put those on from the dealer. Everything's good there. We got the motor all tore apart pretty good. Just in here inspecting the lifters. Got the valve springs off, one in number 1 cylinder. Gonna have those tested. The guy I bought the car from said he put pack 1218s in it, so we get them over here. We're gonna take them down to my buddy at Hendrix Motorsports, and we're gonna test those out. There's the camshaft that came out of it, which will be for sale soon. It's a 5308 LS6 cts-v, and I mean it's in good shape. Like, I don't see nothing, no pitting, no nothing going on. You know, got the normal roller wear, but came with low miles, has all that. That's just how they look. Got all the stuff laid out here, left and right side. Everything else is laid out. Condenser, water pump, all that stuff. So it had a super dampener on there. I gotta pin that. Not too bad of a deal. There's the Magnuson charger, overdriven on the rear, 90mm LS2 throttle body. These are the Deca 60s. I'm going to replace them with some Deca 80s. I'm eventually going E85. There's the intercooler pump setup for the front mount water to air. But today's video is mostly about, kind of update, but it's about this little USB camera, which I got onto a mirror. I got it mounted up with some tape, and we're going to do a little video on that to see how these lifters look. And we don't have to pull the head. The thing looks really good. I mean, this thing's nice and clean. I mean, there's just really nice and clean inside. So, let's get to it. Okay, so here it is, the little micro USB camera. Not the best video, but, you know, this thing's really small. About the size of a pen, like a writing pen. Yeah, like I said, I used to attach that stick. I'm going to shove it in the cam journal holes. Kind of bear with me because it probably won't be the clearest or the smoothest video. I attempted this earlier and it's a little bit shaky, but you'll get the picture of it. So that's number 7. What, number 7 cylinder right now? I'm just looking for major pitting. And that's out of the block. That's the whole entire driver's side. Let's see if we can get this passenger side too. So there's the back one. And then we're out. So they all look pretty good. They all look pretty good in that video you've seen. Not the best quality, but you know, usually when these things go bad, the cam shows signs of wear, along with the lifters. They look pretty good to me. So got that video for reference later on in case I do have any problems or any questions. I can always go back and look at it, which is always good. But again, here's the setup again. A little camera, I got it online. I'll have to find the name and the link on it, but you can see it's really small. It's got little LEDs in it on the end of it. Then I just attached it to my Blue Point mirror. That way you can extend it as it goes. Pretty long cable. It's got a button here. I don't know what that does. It really don't do a whole lot, but it's got a little wheel on the side. Right there, you can flip, roll around, and it adjusts the brightness of the light. And of course, it's just a micro or phone charger end. I get this thing to zoom in a little better for you. Works alright. I wouldn't recommend it being like the best camera you could use. I think it's like 30 bucks. I've used it a couple other times. The biggest thing is it's round. It has no way of pointing up, so you kind of really got to judge in a video on which way you're pointing. That way you don't get sick trying to move it around or get really confused and get lost. That's why I tape it to that rod, which helps out a lot. That way you kind of know which way you're pointing. But any questions or comments, hit the button, you know, and like the video if you like it. I'll see you later.